I bet you didn't know scorpions could glow in the dark. Let's dive in. Scorpions have been around for 400 million years. That's older than dinosaurs. They can survive a whole year without food. Talk about extreme dieting. And guess what? Scorpions glow under UV light. Scientists still aren't sure why. Some scorpions can live underwater for up to 2 days. These critters are like tiny superheroes. Did you know? Their venom is used in medicine to fight diseases. Yep, even scorpions can be lifesavers. Lastly, scorpions dance before mating. It's called the promenade à deux. How romantic!